What up, Team Buckhouse? We're at Vail Pass, and I bought a sled. I bought this mid-season, but we already had all of our trips planned out, stuff like that. So we didn't get to use it much this year, but next year we're gonna use it a ton. This is like one of the last days / opportunities to take it out on the pass. So we're gonna get up there, we're gonna rip it. We got a crew too. We got Cody, we got Ski Doc. We're amped up, and here we go. So Ski Doc's the pro. I'm the amateur. So the one thing about taking the sleds out so late in the season, they overheat a little easier. Plus 2 people on a trail make the sled overheat. So we're chilling. Top of the world. Get your heart rate up.
Dude, that was fast. We were hauling.
We're gonna get some pow, baby. Okay, so we got 2 sleds, 2 snowboards, 3 guys. So we're taking turns. So we'll see you at the bottom, Cody. Let's get it, Doc. Oh, my board's covered in snow.
It's what?
I'm gonna take yeah, the new whip.
Nice.
The park board. This is strictly a park snowboard. Oh, you just got snowed on my pants. We got a booster. All right, Doc, you ready? This is sick. This is our playground for the day. Woo! Okay, so we'll rip up there again, and then we go up there. You two could drop either. That's not good. That was a little terrifying.
Roll this guy over.
You're gonna have to roll it.
Unless I can get it, go down again. Almost made it.
Yeah. All right. All right, you ready? Badger down! Your bag's open too.
I hope I didn't squish my snacks.
Alright, another run out of the town.
Does it feel pretty heavy? The snow?
Yeah.
A little bit. Not too bad.
Yeah, it's heavy snow, but we're the only ones out here.
The worst part is just not, like, it's so flat light now.
Oh yeah.
You can't, like, I didn't even see, I went into a huge sled track.
A little trail runner right there. Alright, Ski Doc.
Where do you want to go? Down?
Down, yeah.
Or a hike up?
Yeah, the sled tracks are not good for skiing.
Sticker shout out.
So this is pretty sick, being out here with no one, empty and alone. But you know what makes you never feel empty and alone on a mountain? Today, sticker shout out. We got Grady Higgins with 2 Evolution stickers, or an Evolution sticker on the snowboard. Looking insane, man. I'll let Cody show up real quick. As well as we got McKenna with the Roman Lego sticker that supports his college front. So thank you so much for snagging the Roman Lego sticker. He also has the Wiggle Wiggle sticker. But guys, if you want an Evolution sticker and you're a skier, we do have a ski version of the Evolution sticker, guys. All of our merch, like the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, the windbreakers, we're all repping the windbreakers today. They're all linked in the description if you do snag the merch. It supports the dream, but if you also snag it, just tag me on my Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs in the vlogs like I just did. And thank you so much. And then follow the Instagram for bonus extra content, because we're doing that. We're filming extra content while we're out here making TikToks and things, short form reels. So follow those platforms, and you guys having fun?
Oh yeah.
Oh dude, that's a good little run. Mellow, safe, good fresh snow.
You want to go to the other side?
Sure, let's do the other side. Quick side note, Cody and Michael and I are about to head out to Mammoth in like 4 days. We're gonna be riding out there. If you need a tune, Ski Doc will have his van. House car wherever you are in Mammoth, and Ski Doc will tune you up. Cody, hold on.
It's too fat.
That's too much weight.
It's take the back seat.
I'll give you a chance, Cody.
I've been putting my heels right here and then holding on to that bar.
That's just terrifying. Ah!
Jonathan, put on your seatbelt.
Okay. That is terrifying back there. What?
I don't want to go up that and you fall off.
No, yeah, totally. I don't want to fall off. I'd rather walk. Yeah, what?
Well, you don't think you could have held on?
I got tossed, dude. We're like blunk. Never even seen this thing. The little house on the top. Oh, it's warm in here.
My
This is
family
actually
built
my
this.
house.
This is where Cody sleeps.
Next time Roman asks, just show him this.
Found Cody's house. It's actually built pretty well. People have hung out in here, that's for sure. Yep. Even put some hooks. Oh, there's a power outlet if you need to charge your iPhone. Alright, so Cody is going to take a lap with the camera. We might actually going to rip the sleds. Right here.
Backcountry Buckhouse.
Damn, son! All right, this one's gonna be chipmunk because it's flat light. It's fun out here. But we're having a good day. Itty bitty cornice drop right here. Alright guys, just want to say, cannot thank you enough for the lift that you have given me. It's gonna be a sick run, fellow run. burner. The cow is super thick. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Don't doubt me. It's insane riding next to like such powerful machines. It's like you feel so little.
This is just loud and scary.
Dude,
I got those newer ones and stuff, and I was like, no, I like the redneck loud sound. Yeah.
so does Cody. All right, we literally just gotta take this probably a mile that way and load them up. So I think we're gonna end the video here. Sick day, boys.
It's fun.
Oh no, we got another thing to film.
What's that?
Get my van unstuck.
Oh. Okay, let's go do that. But we're gonna do that thing where we teleport to the car. But I can't because we're in 3.6, so I'm gonna. Okay, so by the way, I didn't tell you guys what sled I have. I got the Polaris Pro RKM 800. That's the snowmobile I got. And let's get the ski dock van unstuck. Did you try to move it now that there's no weight? I'm gonna come push you. It's not working. She's free. Michael forgot to back it up first. But with that, Team Gals, thank you so much for snowmobiling and snowboarding with us today. Now the sun comes out. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with another video because it is daily on this channel.